Well, Donald Trump has appointed his son-in-law as a top White House advisor. That's a move that is raising some questions about ethics and nepotism. Here's CBS correspondent Jan Crawford.
Well, good morning. So the team that won Mr. Trump the White House will officially be together again to try their hand at governing. Kushner is going to be joining incoming White House Chief of Staff Reince Priebus and incoming White House strategist Steve Bannon, focusing on trade policy in the Middle East. Last night, Jared Kushner and other top White House transition officials met in the House Speaker's office to discuss tax reform.
Jared is a very successful real estate person, but I actually think he likes politics more than he likes real estate.
A confidant during the campaign, Harvard-educated Kushner is credited with setting up the campaign's highly effective digital operation and supporting the selection of Vice President-elect Mike Pence. The White House move may be complicated by a 50-year-old anti-nepotism law passed after President John F. Kennedy appointed his brother Robert to a cabinet-level position as Attorney General. But Hillary Clinton may have helped pave the way for Kushner in the West Wing. A D.C. federal appeals court said the law did not apply to White House staff jobs when President Clinton put his wife in charge of health care reform.
This law does not apply to the White House office.
Jamie Gorelick is Kushner's lawyer and a former deputy attorney general under President Clinton.
He needs to see himself and treat himself as any other person going into the federal government and abide by all the laws that apply.
By his own choice, Kushner will not accept a salary, but Gorelick denies that decision is to protect Kushner from a potential violation. The notoriously camera-shy Kushner took the reins of his family's real estate business just a few years before marrying Ivanka Trump in 2009. Kushner will resign from his family's company and as publisher of the New York Observer, divesting himself from the paper, his brother's firm, and as owner of one of the most expensive buildings in New York. Now, Kushner will also have to sell off any foreign investments. As for his wife, Gorelick told us that Ivanka Trump, she's not going to be participating in managing the Trump organization or the Ivanka Trump business. She is divesting all of her common stock while separating herself entirely from the Trump organization.
CBS correspondent Jan Crawford.